excited? As I am. Okay, number 1. We have 4 words, and one of the words is misspelled. We need to find out. Let's go. Queen, quiet, cue,
Preview.
and quiet.
Preview.
So, what's the misspelled word? Let's find out. Ooh, that's not the spelling for cue. And what is the spelling? Alright, Q, U, E, U, E. That's our correct spelling. Alright, that's fine. Let's move on to the next word. Number 2, we have hang, hangy, rope, and door. Let's find out the misspelled word. Hangy. Okay. What's the correct spelling? Angry. Alright. Let's move on to the next set of words. Number 3. We have tree, knit, mouse, and soap. So let's find out. What's the misspelled word? Mouse. That's not how we spell mouse. Alright then, let's see the correct spelling. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Thank you. Alright. Are you enjoying it so far? So we'll move on to the next word. Okay, the next set of words are sweat, sweet, noise, coat. So, which word is the wrong spelling? Oh, noise. Ta-da! And how do we spell it? Let's go. N-O-I-S-E. That's the correct spelling. Alright, let's move on, kids. Number 5, we have another 4 sets of words. We have ride, around, time, amuse. So let's find out what word has the wrong spelling. Time. Alright then, we need to find out what the correct spelling is. T-I-M-E. Time. Okay, thank you. Let's move on, kids. Number 6, we have another 4 set of words. Let's go. Fit, toad, game, dime. Let's find out the misspelled word here. Toad. Alright, amazing. And we need to find out what the correct spelling is. So we take note, children. T-O-A-D. Toad. That's the correct spelling. Amazing, cheers. Alright, let's move on to the next set of 4 words. Number 7 here we have drink, grow, meal, and mine. Alright, so what word is the wrong spelling here? Meal. That's not how we spell it? Alright, let's find out the correct spelling. M-E-A-L.